The top 3 most wicked time gobblers for building a course are organizing content. That takes quite an effort, and when you get it right, the rest of it falls like butter. Building or finding assets, finding images, branding icons. When I first started out, this drained a lot of creative energy from me, and I'm going to set you in the right direction. And then there's, what tool do you use? There are so many tools out there. What ones do you need to build your course? But first, before we get into these greedy time suckers, let's just take a quick look from a project management perspective. Using a checklist not only keeps the project on track, but it can ensure that the content is organized and logical. For me, it also frees up my mind from having to remember what I need to do for a course. The link to the resource is in the description. Project management out of the way. Let's take a look at those vacuum cleaner elements. So organization. You need to build your content and your storyboard. ChatGPT can help you create an outline for your course. You can simply input what the course is and who your audience is. For example, you could ask, can I get an outline about fire safety for new employees who are not familiar with any of the company's fire protocol? And voila, now you have an outline and you can build your content from there. And then you can build your storyboard on top of that and determine the sequence in which you would like to present the information. This storyboard can be as simple as creating a 3-column table in Word. Number 2, assets, images, icons, and video. If you're looking to do this on your own and you're just looking for some simple photo editing software, Canva. This is a graphic design platform that offers a range of tools for creating and editing images. If you're looking to find some free images, you can use websites like Unsplash, Pexels, Pixabay. Another AI alert. Dolly will create images for you with prompted text. Before you go into Dolly, look at the instructions on how to create images with the right prompts. And then you can also build your own branded icons so easily with Flat Icon. It's so immediate, and you can modify existing colors to better align with your brand. Another asset you might want to build are videos for your course. Well, Powtoon, it's a good option for novice video editors because it has a user-friendly interface and offers a range of pre-designed templates and graphics that you can customize to create your own videos. You can also use Powtoon to add voiceovers and music to your videos to make them more engaging. The best part is, you are never locked out of your content. If your course build goes longer and your subscription lapses, you can renew at any time, and voila, your work is still there. Once you have a complete storyboard and your assets such as videos and images are all built and ready, it's time to transfer them into an authoring tool. I suggest, if you're watching this video and you haven't made your course yet, that is the first thing you want to look at. What authoring tool do I want to use before you even storyboard? Because each authoring tool optimizes for different learning experiences. Udoo is a storybook experience. The learners flip through the pages of your course, whereas Rise Articulate, the learners will scroll through your course. You are on your way to building a course. I hope this video just helps you build your course that much faster, because we need good content out there, and I have a feeling you've got a great course to make. If you'd like to go through that PDF step by step with me, take a look at this next link. There was this study published in the New England Journal of Medicine, and they found using a checklist during surgery reduced complications by 36% and deaths by 47%.